Hi, I'm Bob. Let's explore density plots today. Density plots use kernels moving to visualize the distribution of a continuous variable. They are similar to histograms but have a smooth curve instead of bins. The basic syntax is kdensity x, where x is a continuous variable. Since density plots belong to the two-way family, we could also use the command graph two-way kdensity x or two-way kdensity x. I will continue to use the course dataset I created, show you some kernel density plots, and modify them. You can download the dataset from the course resource link. The variable hourly wage is the hourly wage and salaries in 2017 for workers between 25 and 54 years of age in the United States. In topic 2, we generated histogram plots for the hourly wage variable. In this topic, let's generate kernel density plots for it. We type kdensity hourly wage. Here is the density plot for the hourly wage. Hourly wage values are on the x-axis, and the density is on the y-axis. A high value of density presents a high concentration of observations. We can see that the hourly wages are concentrated at around $19. We could also type graph two-way kdensity hourly wage or two-way kdensity hourly wage to obtain the density plots. We can shade the area underneath the density plots to emphasize it. To do that, we use the recast option. Bandwidth and kernel parameters can change the shape of density plots significantly. Smaller bandwidth leads to more detail, and larger bandwidth leads to less detail. We use the bwidth option to modify the bandwidth. Let's try the bandwidth of 10. It has less detail. Let's change it to 1. The density plot has more detail. When it comes to the kernel function, the Econometrics curve and the Gaussian curve are frequently used because they provide a smoother vision. Econometrics is the default kernel function. We can specify another kernel, such as Gaussian, by using the kernel option. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.